The Center of Excellence in Biodiversity and Natural Resource Management at the University of Rwanda hosted the third annual Biodiversity Field School that took place in Nyungwe National Park since 21st August to 1st September 2023. The 2023 Field School involved 40 participants from students and earlier career researchers to senior researchers from Rwanda, Uganda, Republic Democratic of Congo, and Kenya. Trainers are from Rwanda, Germany, South Africa, Kenya, and USA. Various taxon groups have been studied, including bats, mollusks, plants, freshwater aquatic invertebrates, pollinators, amphibians, and reptiles. After the field work, participants from each taxon group shared their findings from the field through amazing presentations. Over the course of these field schools, new species and range extensions have been identified. Over 45 students have been trained in taxonomy and collection management. Durable partnerships have been developed, manuscripts and checklists are in preparation, and the new information supports effective conservation management. In particular, the Center of Excellence in Biodiversity and Natural Resource Management is committed to identifying biological indicators to support monitoring of restoration activities and climate adaptation interventions and to support achievement of the Kunming-Montreal Global Biodiversity Framework targets. Most of the global biodiversity is still unknown and far from being understood, yet research is biased taxonomically and by societal preferences and regions. In addition, there is a research and knowledge implementation gap coupled with unparalleled loss of biodiversity and natural habitats, especially in Africa. Addressing these challenges remains crucial, yet the capacity to do so remains low in many developing countries, including Africa. Biodiversity databases such as museums and herbaria collections play a vital role in biodiversity conservation, but are mostly ignored in many countries. Rwanda, for instance, has a national herbarium and several incipient zoological collections, but still needs people to become interested in taxonomy and collection, as well as information on how to create, maintain, and use such collections for their research. The aim of the Center of Excellence in Biodiversity and Natural Resource Management at the University of Rwanda is to become a measure hub for knowledge accumulation and transfer concerning biodiversity in Rwanda and the Albertine Rift. The annual Biodiversity Field School, Mind the Darwinian Shortfalls, a graduate summer school on biodiversity and collection management in East Africa, is a step to overcome these challenges.
Okay, so hello everyone, my name is Ben Kakadi. I am here from South Africa to work on freshwater insects. This is my second summer school coming this year, so I kind of knew what to expect and was not disappointed. Everywhere in Nyungwe we found the most beautiful rivers, absolutely full of wonderful new insects, and this year, much to our surprise, after finding hundreds last year, we've continued to find new ones. At the moment we're busy processing through the samples, and it is just a never-ending task, but we are slowly getting there.
Peter Kibiwot from Kenya. When I was invited to attend and train during the summer school, I had a lot of expectations, more on capturing different species of birds, of which I was so much interested in getting the Huye bat, which is a critically endangered species in Rwanda. And of my surprise, I didn't manage to get the Huye bat, but we got an interesting species of Hippocyderidae, which calls at a frequency of 110 kilohertz, which is so unique, and the shape of the hole is so unique from what we've been seeing before. And I believe Nyungwe Forest is still a habitat that has not been explored. So I invite more scientists, more small mammals experts to come and sample and do research at Nyungwe Forest. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Christella Mulisa. I'm from the Center of Excellence in Biodiversity and Natural Resource Management. It has been an absolute pleasure, and I was very excited to be able to attend the summer school for the second time. In herpetology team, we have been to different sites of Nyungwe National Park, where I have learned so many things like species identification and specimens collections. And also I've had a chance to learn snake handling. And after that, we have learned and we have been doing some data analysis, and it was such an exciting and interesting field school. Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm Alan Ellis. I'm here from Stellenbosch University. I was very happy to be invited to come to Rwanda to look at pollinators at Nyungwe. It's been a fantastic trip. I've never really looked at pollinators in a rainforest, so it's been exciting for me to see what's there, and the students have been really excellent and keen and enthusiastic. Our focus has really been on trying to understand which of the insect visitors on flowers are actually pollinating versus stealing nectar and pollen rewards. And I think this is a concept that actually has been quite new to the students. So they seem very appreciative of what we've done this week and the new set of skills and way of thinking about flower-insect interactions. So I think it's been fantastic. The students are great, enthusiastic, keen, very knowledgeable about the insects and trees and things in the forest, which was very useful to me. And I hope I've given them an alternative way of thinking about these interactions and a set of skills that they can use going forward. Thanks.
Yeah.